This is what it looks like in Ladyville at midday on Sunday. Hurricane Richard is beginning to impact the nation. These are what they call the outer bands. Forecasters expect that the eye of the hurricane will make actual landfall around 6 o'clock this evening just south of Belize City.
When we projected, using the projected path for that we have obtained since 9 o'clock, we estimated that the center of Hurricane Richard should cross the country around 6 p.m. This evening. And we estimated that it would be about 6 miles south of Belize City. And also, when we estimated the winds, it could be a minimal Category 2 hurricane. It could be.
It could be.
Yeah.
So what does that tell people? People will say, well, okay, you say we'll start making landfall at 6. We still have a couple hours.
We will expect conditions to deteriorate like from midday onwards. We will expect from the west hurricane force winds coming in from the north and the northwest, and the winds will become stronger as the eye continue to approach Belize. And then the strongest part of the hurricane is just outside the eye wall, where you get the most intense rainfall, the strongest wind, active thunderstorm. So you would be expecting that as the eye moves over the country. Now, when the eye moves across the country, the winds will come from the opposite direction, intense at first, and then as it moves over land, it will decrease. And the winds will come also from the opposite direction, south.
So coming in, it will come from one direction?
Yeah. Coming in, it will come from the north and the northwest. And as the eye comes over land, you could expect increased rainfall, torrential rainfall, thunderstorms, and also the winds will increase up until when it reaches the center. Within the center of the storm, as we all know, it's calm winds. The sky, you could even get no rainfall at that time when the eye is crossing. And then the clouds will lift. But after when that eye crosses that area, the winds will come from the opposite direction. It will be strong. And after the eye, after that pass, then the winds will also continue to decrease.
Out on the coastline, the effects of Hurricane Richard are already being felt. Strong winds are blowing and it's just after midday. Forecasters expect that the weather will continue to deteriorate until late this evening when the hurricane actually makes landfall, as we said, just south of Belize City.